I got a little investing hot take for you. Content creators, especially in the finance space, try their absolute hardest to overcomplicate things because it's good for them. It can lead to higher engagement, more views, more followers, and if they're selling something, more sales. The bottom line is, when it comes to the big stuff, everything's basically fine. I got a DM a few days ago from someone who was like mid-30s, just starting to invest, and he was freaked out in the message. I don't know what to do. This content creator says this one is better. That one says this one is better. And then sometimes I see your videos and you talk about these. I can't decide, and it's overload. And of course it's overload. It's because it's social media. And when you watch one video about ETFs, the algorithm just pushes out dozens. So of course you're overwhelmed. Of course you feel like, I don't know what to pick. Relax. Look, if we all three of us, you, me, and a friend, we're all looking at investments, and I picked one that's up 400%, and you picked one that's up 380%, and our friend didn't invest in anything, then I'm up, you're up, and he's not. Most technology ETFs are fine. Most dividend ETFs are fine. All S&P 500 ETFs are identical. They're all the same. Really, the only thing you need to be looking at is the fees. In the last 10 years, SPLG, which is an S&P 500 ETF, is up 184% and has 0.02 fees. That's $2 if you have $10,000 invested. SPY is an S&P 500 ETF that is up, that's right, 186% in the last 10 years. However, their expense ratio is a little bit higher. So if you had $10,000 invested, you'd be paying $9 in fees. And of course, we have VOO, which is up 186% in the last decade and also has very low fees. By the way, any expense ratio under 1% is considered low. Don't stress too much. I've gotten messages from people who go, oh my God, I have SPY. Should I sell everything and buy VOO? Relax. If you are in FTech, a Fidelity Technology ETF, you are up 470% in the last decade, and it again has very low fees. If you picked VGT instead, which is also a technology ETF, you would be up 477% in the last decade, and it also has very low fees. If you picked XLK, which is also a technology ETF, you would be up 469% in the last 10 years, and it also has low fees. SCHD is one of the most popular dividend ETFs around. It's up 104% in the last 10 years and has a 3.87% dividend. iShares Select Dividend Fund is up 70% in the last decade, and they pay a 3.66% dividend. The point is, most things are fine. Don't overcomplicate it. Do some very basic research like what we just did here. Take a look at this one. SPHD. This fund is up 47% in the last 10 years, which isn't great, and their dividend is 3.42%. If you want to do any deeper research, go right here, click on the menu, and find the fundamental analysis template and the ETF comparison template. They're both 100% free. Don't spend too much time agonizing over which one is right, which one is the best, what if I pick the wrong one? Most of the major funds are really, really good, and you can get a really good snapshot in just a few minutes of research to let you know if it's good for you or not. Hit the follow. See you later.